unbox all the mystery boxes that I got today. I literally could not wait any longer to unbox these. So I'm going to unbox all of them. So this is the mystery squashmallows collectibles, and there's 6. And like I said, I'm hoping for the burger, the fries, or the chicken. So that is Brendan, Carl, or Oksana. Hoping for it, but happy to get either. Let's open it. Close my eyes. What did I get? What did I get? Oh, I didn't get them, but the pizza is also very cute. Look at it. And it's obviously soft. But this is Sandra, and I believe she's a pizza slice. The thing I do like is it's red, because obviously red is my favorite color, pizza sauce. Next we have the Angels and Demons vinyl face collectibles, and like I said, I'm really hoping to get this red one. Or either red ones work. I like both red ones. Or maybe one of the 2 black ones, but again, I would be happy to get either one of them, but I'm really hoping for a red one. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Please tell me it's one of them. Please, please, please. I don't know where her face is if it's upside down, but this is what I got. Oh, I didn't get either one of them. I mean, it's my luck, but honestly, the blue one is cute too. Look at how cute she is. She does have pink bows. She says obviously Angel on there. Like, look how cute. Although I really was hoping to get a red one, but it's okay. It's still cute. It does like these little angel ears. Kind of creepy, but still cute. Knowing my luck, I'm probably not gonna get anything I actually want, but it's okay. Rainbow Mystery, and like I said, I think it's like food themed related. Like I think they are dumplings or buns. So this one, honestly, any one of them would work. I just think they're super cute. It comes in this cute little freaking, what are these called again? Steamer bun container things. So I'm just gonna open it up and I will close my eyes. Oh my god, it's huge. It's like squishy. I feel like if you love squishy things, you would freaking love this. Okay, what color did I get? I got a blue one. Okay, so we're definitely on the blue theme here. But look at it. It's like a lot bigger than I thought. For some reason, I thought it'd be mini. But I guess it makes sense because the container is pretty big. Squishy. Like, if you like squishy things... This sounds kind of gross. But if you like squishy things, you would like this. But it's a cute little blue one. I also love the container, so I'm definitely going to keep. I'm going to put her back... Well, her, him, they... back in here. And then we will put her somewhere. Meow, Me Meow's surprise figures. And there's 8 to collect. So for this one, I think I'm hoping to get this one here, the yellow one with the red flames, or the black one. The black one is also cute. But like I said, either one would work. So let's just see what we're gonna get. Closing my eyes. Let's see what she is. I keep saying she because I just say she a lot, but let's see which cat it is. Okay, what color? I got the white one. You know, I had a feeling I was gonna get the white one, to be honest with you. She has like little rainbow angel wings, and then, yeah. White little kitty. That's fine. That's fine. Super small and cute little figurine, so I will put that somewhere. Let's do this mini brands next, and I also believe that this was food themed related. Oh my god, this little tab piece here, it just keeps breaking off. Okay, we finally got it. How do you open this? Am I dumb? Oh, there's another layer. Okay, the pink plastic is another layer underneath. Okay, gotcha. Okay, it's finally working for this tab. So, scratch that. It's just the white ball that it comes in. So let's see. This one, I don't remember what the figurines were, so I honestly don't know which one. I just like food-related stuff, so any will do. But, okay. Okay, let's see. What is it? What is it, you guys? Not these hands for me. Okay, there's more than... Oh, maybe it's all of them. Okay, there's more than one, so there's 3 in here, so maybe it's all of them? Okay, comes in more packaging, so this is really a surprise. What is this? This kawaii slime. Do I put that in something? I don't know, we'll see. Comes also with this little sticker that says Poopsie Soda, Taste Possum. Oh, right. It comes with the options, I think, maybe? Okay, let's just see. So let's open this packet first. Okay, let me close my eyes. Okay, what is it? I don't even know. Let me open. Oh, it's a little milk. It's a little milk container. And it says Meow Milk. So cute because I love cats. So freaking cute and tiny. Love, 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 love. Okay, next item. What is it? Okay, I don't know if I'm holding this right. Is this plastic supposed to come off? Okay, let me see. What is this? Oh, unicorn eggs! It's like a little egg container. Let me see if there's actual eggs in it. Oh my god, that's so freaking cute. Look at these. Okay, let me show you. Little eggs. Oh my god, so these are 2 of them. Let me show you the other 2. They all have different colored horns. Yellow and blue for this one. They have the cutest little faces. Red and purple. So freaking cute. And it comes in a little container, obviously. So you can put your eggs in your unicorn egg holder. So freaking cute. I kind of want them displayed like open like this though, because I just think that is adorable. Here I'm saying like I don't like cute stuff, but I don't know. It's kind of growing on me. Last packet. Let's see. I'll open it that way. Okay. don't know if I'm holding it right. Is it fries? It kind of feels like fries, but I might be wrong. Oh my god! It's not fries. I don't know. It's popcorn. Popcorn. And it says Magic Movie Popcorn. It has like little sunglasses on it. Okay. I think my favorite, even though this is red, I think my favorite one is the milk and the little eggs. I just think it's freaking adorable. But let me also see, like, what is this? Oh, okay, yeah, so mini brands. Collector's guide, okay. So we have, yep, the popcorn, the french fries, and obviously, like, all these other little items. So there's actually a lot to collect. So I guess each ball comes with 3, but I don't know how many total there is, but this whole list is everything you can collect. And we got the popcorn, we got the cat milk cat, and then we also got the eggs. Oh, and then we got the eggs. Honestly, the cutest ones, honestly, I feel like this little burger, oh my god, like, imagine, one, I freaking love burgers, and this little cat burger is so freaking cute. Like, look at his little face. The other one I really wanted, I think, was, oh yeah, the little chicken nuggets. Like, look how freaking adorable. And then also the little bunny dim sums. Oh my god, freaking cute. Like, I almost feel like I want to buy another one, to be honest with you. I just really want to buy another one. Now I just want them all. Wonder if this one, because this one is saying legendary, so it's like a perfume, I think, and it actually comes with real liquid, which maybe that's rare. The ones we got were in the iconic section, which was the popcorn, and then the luxury category, which was the meow milk, and then we got the rare. Oh, maybe we did get something rare, because it said under rare, it has the little, like, you see that? It says, well, it's backwards, but it says rare, and then it had the little egg carton was in that section. I'm not sure if you guys know, or if you guys collect these, let me know if the items we got were good. We didn't get anything in the comment section, although this little pizza heart is also really cute. We got everything in, like, different categories. Interesting. I feel like I'm definitely going to have to pick more of those up, because now I just want all these little items to display everywhere. And then, like I said, it came with this kawaii slime, which I don't really know what I'm going to do with. Am I supposed to do something with this? Or is it just, like, slime to play with? I might gift it to my nephew, because maybe he likes slime. But then I'm like, do I have to keep it? Like, do I have to? I don't think so. Do I have to put it in something? Kind of figured it out. So on the back of the collectibles guide, which I probably should keep this, it does have accessory collectibles as well. So we got the slime, which is this one over here. And then there's like a spoon and a bunch of these other items. We also got this, that sticker that said Pupsy Soda. I was saying Poopsy Soda, but maybe it's Pupsy, like pup, like a dog. But I don't know why the first thing that came to my mind was the word poop. I don't know. I kind of like it being called Poopsy. Even though that sounds disgusting, like Poopsy Soda, but I don't know, that sounds cuter to me, like Poopsy Soda. But I think it's Pupsy Soda. But yeah, I guess there's accessories that you can collect on top of it. How did I miss this other accessory mystery from the mini brands mystery ball that we opened? I'm pretty sure it's the spoon. Is it a spoon or a magnifying glass? I can kind of feel it. Oh, it's the little magnifying glass. I totally missed that. I want to see, like, does it actually magnify? Oh my god, it's actually a real little mini magnifying glass. You see this? And then, boom. Like, it actually works. That's crazy. Hey, well, shit, if I mean, my eyesight's kind of, like, going, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So if I ever need to read anything and it's super tiny, I now have a mini magnifying glass. I'm glad I have this guide now. The Minecraft one, which we'll go through, is from Walmart. The Among Us is from Five Below. Next, we have the Among Us mystery pack. I actually really like watching Among Us, that I've mentioned this. So I'm gonna see which one I get. I obviously want the red one. Is there a red one? I thought Among Us had a red character, but it's not on this pack. There's no red one. So I guess we'll just see what we get. We'll just see what we get. The ones, they're all pretty cute, actually, so let's just see. I'm gonna close my eyes again. I don't know. Is it cute? Is it backwards? Is it cute? Is it upside down? I don't know. Let's see. Oh my goodness! That is adorable! It's the pink one with the little zipper tag thingy. So freaking cute. Oh my god! It has a little backpack. Oh my god, that's freaking adorable! Freaking love. Now I have, like, so many things I can put in bags and whatever, but so freaking cute! Looks kind of white, but it's like this pastel light pink. Definitely gonna need to get more of those too, because I would love to collect them all. I am literally now obsessed with all these mini mystery collectibles, and now I need all of them. Like, now I just need all of them, but I literally do not have the shelf space for anything. I'm obsessed. So now I feel like I'm gonna be buying them all the freaking time.